It's morning and we're back at Cherry Hill in our motor coach. That's our view, and here he is starting to cook again.
Of course, wine is always good. So it doesn't matter what. Oh, it's only 7:45 in the morning. It's ridiculous.
Okay. Recipe number 3 is a wild sockeye salmon. Hard to get around anywhere in the world. Still can get it in Canada. It is fantastic. It's sautéed nicely in mustard, garlic, onion, degla dates, and a little bit of wine, and it is fantastic. And don't take it away on. Oh, then you put it in the fridge and keep it for the next day to make cold salads and cold sandwiches. And Joan, tell me the nutrients of the salmon.
It's highly nutrient dense. It's got high protein and it's got moderate to high fat, and it's exceptionally rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Yes, and it's all in the recipe book too. Ciao.
It's morning and we're back at Cherry Hill in our motor coach. That's our view, and here he is starting to cook again.
Of course, wine is always good. So it doesn't matter what. Oh, it's only 7:45 in the morning. It's ridiculous. But anyway, it's still good. Today, I'm prepping some Canadian salmon for cold later on, because we bought a big one, and so salmon gets a little bit of salt on there like this, and a little bit of pepper. But the sauce
The sauce is the key.
a little bit of Keen's. This is dry, so there's no crap in it. And then you mix a little water in it, and it goes into here. Okay. And inside here, first you start off with garlic, olive oil, and then the mustard goes in. And then what I'm doing, because of the salmon, I put in fresh dates. Now, in goes a little bit of wine. See? The wine goes in.
What made you think of the dates for this recipe?
Well, normally I've often tried it with honey.
Oh,
That's been
because
good,
of the
but I
sweet.
figured, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm going to try it with dates and see, because dates have that great flavor to it.
Wonderful, and
Then also,
a nice sweetener.
I'm going to use tomatoes at the end. That will bake, and then I'm going to do the salmon in there, and that will be for cold salads and stuff like that. Ciao!
Ciao.
You said what? Why the dates?
Why? Yeah, you were using the sweetener, the dates.
Yes. First of all, I normally use honey, and we don't have any, but I thought dates would make a really nice sort of augment the flavor.
Yeah.
And so,
and dates are a really good substitute for sweetener. Excellent.
and I'm using white wine as the sauce. Look at that. So, this is just simmering for about a minute or 2 or 3. And then I'm going to put the salmon. Look at the salmon, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks wonderful.
Put the salmon in there. Then, at the end, the Sicilian touch, which is the tomatoes. The tomatoes. Laura Donna will. She'll
love
Harry, too many ingredients. No! But I'm going to put tomatoes in anyway.
Ciao.
Oh, ciao. Oh, wow. Great. Look at the salmon. Put it, if you have a great wok like this is a cast iron wok, best in the world. And then you put the salmon skin down on the side like this. Let this all sort of simmer together here. Beautiful, beautiful. Before you put it in there, okay? And once that's done, you cover it up for a few, I would say for maybe 2-3 minutes. Then you turn it upside down. You turn it upside down and put it into the sauce, and then add the tomatoes at the very end.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Ho, 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 ho. Ciao.
Ciao.
Wine is definitely good all the time, anytime, whenever.
Wine is always good.
Now, like the Italians would say, or the Sicilians would say, Perfuma.
Perfuma.
Oh.
No, perfumo.
primo. Now look at this. I'm going to turn this. Okay. And I'm going to just put it behind this. It's just simmering now. And it's just going to be, the sauce is just hungry. I've turned it now. Okay. Now, of course, comes the Sicilian touch. They put cilantro in everything, all fish dishes, which I am going to do right now too. Okay, then comes the tomatoes. It's not nothing. Look at the color. Yes. That is going to be just woohoo. Ciao. Look how brown it is. Nice touch. It's done. Ooh. And of course, wine is always good. Oh. Now comes the best part. Lord Donna would always give this to me to taste. Or Orizio. Oh!
Good? Better than ever?
That sauce is amazing!
Really?
Oh!
Fantastic.
Oh, yeah!
I hardly wait to taste it.
Yes! Tony?
My turn?
You have time?
Yes, anyways.
Oh! Mmm! Ciao! Tony's going to do a taste test. Of course, I thought it was fantastic. And Joni's going to take that and dip it in the sauce a little bit. And then up. Very pleasant, isn't it?
Wonderful.
I know you can't.
Good.
That's it. I know it's a. It just has all. I think it has all the right ingredients.
Wonderful, yeah. Now I'm gonna have to eat this now.
Oh, no,
We're gonna save it.
We're gonna
later.
let it cool off now.
Yeah, it's early in the morning, so ciao.
Ciao.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see.
Stay tuned for video number 4. It's got to do everything about
Blueberries.
and other berries too, but mostly
Lots
blueberries.
of blueberries, yes.
Lots
and
of
more.
blueberries.
Microgreens.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ciao.
Ciao.